Are you tired of missing epic moments because your action camera wasn't pointed in the right direction or the footage came out shaky and unwatchable? The action camera market in 2026 has delivered some absolutely incredible recording devices that capture smooth, stable footage in extreme conditions while offering innovative features that traditional cameras cannot match. Whether you're an extreme sports enthusiast documenting adventures, a vlogger creating dynamic content, a family capturing vacation memories, or simply someone wanting better video than smartphones provide, the right action camera delivers broadcast-quality footage in rugged, compact packages that go anywhere. In this comprehensive guide, we're ranking the best action cameras to buy in 2026, based on image quality, stabilization, and durability. But wait until you see our number one pick. It captures everything around you simultaneously. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro starts our list as a powerful GoPro alternative that brings DJI's legendary stabilization technology to action camera form factor. This capable device proves that serious competition drives innovation, benefiting consumers with better features. What makes the Osmo Action 5 Pro special is the large Wondmar 1.3-inch sensor capturing exceptional image quality with better low-light performance than smaller sensors in competing action cameras. The front-facing color touchscreen allows easy framing for vlogging and selfie shots without guessing whether you're in frame. The impressive 4-hour battery life doubles or triples typical action camera endurance, eliminating the constant battery swapping that ruins filming flow. The magnetic quick-release mounting system allows instant camera attachment and removal from mounts without fumbling with traditional frame systems. The 10-bit D-Log M color profile provides professional color grading flexibility that serious videographers demand for matching footage with cinema cameras. The native vertical video recording optimizes footage for social media platforms without awkward cropping or rotation in post-production. Number 4. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Coming in at number 4 is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, bringing AI-powered features and flip-screen convenience to traditional action camera design. This innovative device showcases how computational photography improves action camera footage beyond just hardware specifications. What sets the Ace Pro 2 apart is the flip-up touchscreen that rotates for easy selfie framing, making vlogging significantly easier than cameras requiring separate monitors. The AI-powered editing automatically selects best moments from your footage, creating shareable highlight reels without tedious manual editing. The impressive 8K video recording at 30 FPS captures incredible detail, future-proofing your footage as 8K displays become mainstream. The built-in GPS and sensors automatically tag footage with speed, altitude, and location data, adding context to your adventures. The Pure Video technology uses AI noise reduction to dramatically improve low-light footage quality, capturing usable video in conditions where other cameras produce grainy, unusable results. The magnetic mounting compatibility makes attaching to helmets, bikes, and gear effortless without traditional bulky frame systems. Number 3. Akaso Brave 8 Pro. The Akaso Brave 8 Pro secures the third spot on our list as the budget champion, delivering impressive features at fraction of premium camera costs. This affordable option proves that excellent action camera performance doesn't require spending $400 or $500 on brand name options. What makes the Brave 8 Pro exceptional is the dual-screen design with both front and rear displays, providing convenient framing for selfies and traditional shots. The 4K 60 FPS video recording delivers smooth slow-motion capability when slowed to 24 FPS or 30 FPS in post-production, creating dramatic action sequences. The included waterproof case extends depth rating to 131 feet for serious diving and underwater filming that naked cameras cannot handle. The comprehensive mounting accessories included in the box provide immediate versatility without additional purchases required to start filming. The detachable battery design allows carrying multiple batteries for extended filming sessions, swapping in seconds when power runs low. The competitive pricing around $150 to $200 makes action cameras accessible to casual users and families not wanting premium investments for occasional use. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Taking the runner-up position is the GoPro Hero 13 Black, proving that the action camera pioneer still sets standards that competitors chase. This refined device showcases GoPro's decades of experience creating durable cameras that consistently deliver excellent results. What makes the Hero 13 Black special is the legendary Hypersmooth stabilization technology, now in its 7th generation, delivering gimbal-like smoothness without external stabilizers. The Enduro battery technology operates in extreme cold down to -10 degrees Celsius, where standard batteries die instantly. The improved low-light performance captures cleaner footage during dawn, dusk, and indoor action where previous GoPros struggled with excessive noise. The simplified user interface makes operation intuitive even for first-time users, without complicated menus hiding essential features. The extensive accessory ecosystem provides mounting solutions for literally any activity from diving to skydiving to motorsports. The GoPro subscription includes unlimited cloud backup, camera replacement discount, and exclusive features providing value beyond just the hardware purchase. Number 1. Insta360 X4, the game changer. Finally, here it is, the best action camera to buy in 2026 that captures everything around you, simultaneously eliminating the need to aim or frame shots. The Insta360 X4. This isn't just another action camera, it's a revolutionary 360-degree recording device that captures the complete sphere around you in stunning quality, meaning you never miss moments because the camera wasn't pointed correctly. And you can reframe footage in post-production choosing any angle from the complete sphere of recorded video, proving that 360 cameras represent the future of action filming. The Insta360 X4 features dual lenses capturing 8K 360-degree video at 30 fps, or 5.7K at 60 fps, providing incredible resolution that remains sharp even when extracting traditional 16.9 footage from the sphere. What makes this camera truly extraordinary is the revolutionary reframing capability, allowing you to choose any viewing angle after recording, effectively giving you infinite camera angles from a single take. The invisible selfie stick technology automatically removes the stick from 360 footage, creating impossible-looking floating camera shots that appear filmed by invisible drone. The powerful flow state stabilization built into 360 processing delivers impossibly smooth footage, regardless of how much the camera shakes or rotates during filming. The bullet time mode creates Matrix-style frozen action shots by swinging the camera on a pole, capturing 360 footage that's processed into dramatic slow-motion sequences.